And TVJ News sought a response from Executive Director of the Tourism Product Development Company, TPDCO, Wade Mars. He says, based on checks, about 12 of the over 120 rafts in the Rio Grande were damaged or destroyed during the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Mr. Mars adds that those affected had other rafts continue working. He says the TPDCO has not received any report of the recent damage to rafts from the last weekend's heavy rains, but notes the company is available at any time for a meeting. As for the fees they're required to pay the TPDCO office, Mr. Mars says of the $12,000 the raft captains charge per trip, they take home $8,330. That's almost 70%. He explains that the TPDCO collects $3,670 per trip for public liability insurance, which is used to pay utilities and staff as well as maintain the facilities.